Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front bumper on Mercedes ML class W164. The front bumper is held by a couple of bolts on top, on the bottom and on the side where the wheels are. We can see there is two bolts, one here and one there on that side, and two more bolts on the other side, one there and one there. There's also another couple of bolts holding the bumper. There's one on this side, just underneath, just behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get to that bolt, we need to loosen the wheel arch liner so that we can get to it, and the same on the other side. There's also a couple of bolts holding the front bumper on the bottom side. Their front bumper is held to the engine under tray. In my case, that engine under tray is already removed, so there's no bolts holding it. Now that the wheel arch liner is loose, I'll show you where the bolt is holding the bumper to the wing. The bolt is just somewhere there. And it's the same on the other side. Now we're going to remove that bolt. The bolt actually broke, that's only the head that I removed, but it's okay. Next I'm going to remove the bolt on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to remove the upper bolts of the front bumper, the two on this side and two on the other side. Now that the bolts are removed, next I'm going to remove the grille, because the grille is held by two of these bolts. Next I'm going to start removing the bumper. Now that the bolt there is removed, the only thing we have to do is pull the bumper and it will come out. We do the same on the other side, just pull the bumper and it will unlock. And once all the bolts are removed, we can take out the front bumper. And that's the bumper out. Next we're going to put the front bumper back on. Procedure for putting it back on is exactly the same. There is a couple electrical connectors that we need to connect before putting on the bumper, and then it has to sit in its bed. Afterwards we're going to put on all the bolts and tighten them, and then we're done with replacing the bumper. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.